Roofing tips and tricks for Punta Gorda homeowners, step by step. Introduction. Hey there, Punta Gorda homeowners. Welcome to this step-by-step training video on roofing tips and tricks specifically tailored for our area. Living in Punta Gorda means dealing with extreme weather conditions, which can take a toll on your roof. This video aims to provide valuable advice on maintaining and repairing your roof, helping you prevent issues and save costs in the long run. Step 1. Regular inspections for early detection. Regularly inspecting your roof is crucial for identifying any potential issues before they escalate. Begin by examining the roof surface, checking for missing or damaged shingles, and any signs of wear and tear. Additionally, inspect the gutters and downspouts, paying attention to clogs or misalignments. Take note of any soft spots or leaks in your ceiling as well. Step 2. Cleaning and maintenance. Keeping your roof clean and well-maintained is key to its longevity. Remove any debris, leaves, or branches that may have accumulated on your roof, as they can trap moisture and cause damage. Trim overhanging tree branches to prevent them from scraping against the roof during strong winds. Regularly clean your gutters to avoid clogs and ensure proper drainage. Step 3. Sealing leaks and cracks. Addressing leaks and cracks in your roof promptly is crucial to prevent further damage. Use a roof sealant or caulk to seal small leaks or cracks. Ensure that the area is clean, dry, and properly prepared before applying the sealant. For larger or more complex issues, it's best to consult a professional roofing contractor to ensure a proper and lasting repair. Step 4. Ventilation and insulation. Proper ventilation and insulation play a vital role in maintaining a healthy and energy-efficient roof. Adequate ventilation prevents moisture buildup and improves airflow, reducing the risk of mold and rot. Additionally, efficient insulation helps regulate indoor temperatures, reducing energy consumption. Consider consulting a roofing professional to assess and improve your roof's ventilation and insulation. Step 5. Professional maintenance and repairs. While it's essential to stay proactive with your roof maintenance, it's equally important to enlist the expertise of a professional roofing contractor. Schedule regular inspections and maintenance with a reliable contractor in Punta Gorda to ensure your roof's optimal condition. They can identify potential issues that may go unnoticed and provide effective solutions to extend the lifespan of your roof. Recommendation. Punta Gorda homeowners, I highly recommend implementing these roofing tips and tricks to keep your roof in excellent shape. By investing time and effort in proactive maintenance and repairs, you can prevent costly issues in the long run and protect your investment. Remember, it's always better to be proactive than reactive when it comes to roof care. Conclusion. In conclusion, this training video provides Punta Gorda homeowners with actionable steps to maintain and repair their roofs effectively. Regular inspections, cleaning, sealing, ventilation, and professional maintenance are essential for prolonging your roof's lifespan and preventing major issues. By being proactive, you'll save costs and ensure the safety and integrity of your home. Now, go out there and take care of that roof.